to show you 7 ways to style Jones Estetica Polarizing Pink. I just got it and I'm so excited. Plus 4 bonus ways that are going to blow your mind. And you're going to be saying, what did I think of that? So stay tuned to the very end. The first way to style it is just like this. Straight out of the box, almost. I'm going to show you, okay? I just got it yesterday. My husband's crazy about this wig. Straight out of the box. Shake it. Put it on. And let it be kind of messy. This kind of wig is made to be messy, all right? I'm going to show you how it looks from that side and then from this side. Another way to style the Jones Estetica Polarizing Pink is just to part it on the side and just get a little more definition with the part. See that? Isn't that cute? And always get your fingers. I can't stand if it's all, if you want it slick, see, I don't like it, but you might like it. This is low density, but there's some permatease. Then, of course, there's the old part in the middle. And don't be thinking, oh, that's nothing. You just wait till we get to the end. You're going to go, oh, I could do that. And you're going to think of all the other wigs you could do it with. See, it's got that real light brown root, which I really like. And then, of course, I like to make it stick up. I'm going to show you how it looks. The back is pretty much choppy layers. I just love it. I didn't think I would love it because I usually like more curl. So I'm losing count. Of course, there's always the tuck. Here's what I like about the tuck that looks kind of sexy. You can always leave some out. Here's one of my favorite ways that I try this with every wig to see how it would look. I like to put it all over to one side. You pick the side. With this wig, there's no mono part, but I like to be adventurous. Just make sure you have a good wig grip on. And I like to bring it all over to one side and then kind of, I'll show you. I'm going to show you the back. Now I would leave just a little bit out right here. And of course you don't have to wear such big earrings, but I take care of clients all day. I do emotional healing. What's called a spiritual healer, energy therapist. Whatever's wrong, I can pretty much fix it emotionally. Even losing your hair. This is kind of kicky, right? You like that? So put it kind of back a little and then put the other side so you got both sides up. You can just do so much with this wig. I was so surprised. See there? I'll show you. I already showed you that side. I hope I'm not making you dizzy. I want to get to the even more exciting ways to fix this wig. You're going to love it. So we got this up. And I'm just using these little combs. But you could use clips. And then I always want to see how a wig would look if I twisted it up in a clip. And I think this one looks really cute. Of course, I'm doing this blind. I'm blind. No, I'm not blind, but I'm doing it blind. Okay, so see what you think. And you're like, yeah, these are all normal ways, but I'm going to show you another way that's not so normal. Because my thought is always, can we make it different? Can we make it fancier? And then here's the most boring way of all, if you ask me. But somebody might want to do this, and that, actually, I guess it's not boring. Put it in a low pony with a little bing bing. I'll show you. So I don't know how, see, little low pony. I'm going to show you how it would look with a headband. Now, I don't have any plain headbands, but isn't that cute? Okay, but now are you ready for the fancier way? I promised you a bonus way that you might not have thought of, and that is, everything I'm going to show you is because I was losing my hair, and I had fine little hair, and I would do anything I could for somebody not to be seeing my bald spots sticking out. So, of course, a headband is always good, especially one that has some fabric or something like that. But I even got into, wait for it, ladies and gentlemen, Fascinators. Can you wear one with a wig? Absolutely. Isn't that cute? And what you might not know, with a fascinator, it comes with a clip usually. So, and if you wanted it, I don't know, well, you might want it right on top. Kind of doubt it, but you can sassy it to the side. Isn't that cute? I told you it'd be worth the wait. I got something else. Hold on. Okay, if you're going out dancing and you really want to get fancy, hold on, all right? I even have a purple boa that I wear. Now, if you have some bio hair, you probably wouldn't need it, but I would wear a lower density wig with a fascinator. But isn't it cute? Ah, okay, you want to see one of my favorite ways? As a matter of fact, that makes me want to go dancing and use my purple boa. And this wig, this is low density. Look at this. How fabulous is that? How fabulous. So what I'm saying, ladies, is don't think just because you're wearing a wig that you can't just be as fancy as you want. So see how cute that looks? Ah, right? And I got one more surprise. Don't go anywhere. This is if you're going to a garden party, a tea party, or you just want to have fun. Girls just want to have fun. Girls just want to have fun, right? All right, let's have fun. Okay, isn't that cute? See there, just because you lost your hair and maybe you have a wig on, you can be as glamorous as you want to. Now, subscribe, share this video with a wig sister, and let me know what kind of fabulous new thing you're trying with your wigs. This is Jones Estetica. I just ordered another Estetica. By the way, I know how to get any wig you want at a really good price. You can ask me that in the comments. Ask me, tell me, do you want me to do a segment where I talk about getting the wig you want at the price you want? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what's your favorite way to wear this wig. I'm going to put it back. Yeah, I just like it. How messy can it get? There we go. Well, that's kind of crazy. All right. I'm Rebecca at Wig Fun, and I look forward to seeing you in another video real soon.